Hello friends, Nagina Sharma welcomes you in our YouTube channel Bokaro Garden. Friends, today I am giving video how to grow and care your garlic plant in English. So please watch. If you have not subscribed Bokaro Garden, please subscribe.
Friends, on behalf of Bokaro Garden, please find the method of caring and growing garlic in a pot. So, first of all, we prepare the soil mix. In soil mix, we have 50% normal soil, 40% is the compost plus gobar khad, and 10% sand we are putting. And a pot has been taken, a long pot, where the mixture has been prepared and put. We have taken DAP 3 to 4 spoonful, and we will add to the soil mix. DAP is given for development of roots of the plant. So friends, we have taken 2 spoonful of boron. Boron will increase the capacity of soil mix, therefore it is used. After adding the DAP and boron, we will mix it with the normal soil. Now let us see how we will start growing it. So now in order to sow it in the soil mix and the fertilizers, we will make a 4 inches difference in the soil, and each the seed will be put 4 inches apart. And you have to see that the upper portion, the sharp portion will be up, and this portion will be down, and it will be put up to this place, up to this height it is to be put. Now see, the garlic seeds have been sown equal distance between each garlic, and the distance from the pot has been seen that it is all equal. Now we will put the soil from outside. Give water. First of all, after sowing, you must give water through a spray, and after 10 days, when it becomes dry, then only irrigate it. Temperature between 15 to 35 degree, and its pH value, soil's pH value should be 6 to 7.5. And about fertilizers, you have to give potash, urea, gobar khad, and after 1 month of sowing, you have to use DAP or nutrients, micronutrients, urea, calcium nitrate, DAP, potash, urea, and gobar khad. So friends, this is all for planting and caring and giving fertilizers. And you also note that sun should be it should be exposed to sun for 4 to 5 hours daily. So one notice is to be given that after 1 month we will give the update of this plant, how it has grown and what is the condition. So this is all for this video. Hope you will like it. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe the Bokaro Garden wish you very good day. Thank you.